Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself. Gloves and eye protection matter because sparks and acid exist. Once positioned, turn the key off and remove it, then identify the negative terminal and loosen it first to prevent shorts. Make sure you note cable orientation and take a quick photo for reference. While you work, keep the replacement terminal, a wrench, and a brush within reach so you don't disrupt the procedure mid-step. This reduces errors and speeds the swap. Now remove the old terminal. Fully loosen the clamp bolt, hold the cable, and twist while pulling to free it. Do not yank on the wire. Inspect the cable end, cut back frayed copper, and reshape into a flush surface so the new terminal seats properly. Clean the battery post and cable with a wire brush until they shine. This ensures good conductivity. Once clean, dry the area and apply a thin coat of dielectric grease so future corrosion is minimized and connection stays reliable. Seat the replacement terminal over the cleaned cable and battery post, then tighten the clamp to a firm snug or the specified torque so it won't spin under load. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. This order prevents shorts. Start the engine and check voltage with a meter, 13, 5 to 14. 7 volts indicates a healthy charge. If you notice a voltage drop, loose clamp, or heat at the terminal, stop, red item, and re-clean contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.